Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Beside me today we have a all-new model, the Boston Whaler 240 Vantage, replaced the 230 Vantage. Check this out, we got the new buyers coming to see it here today in a couple hours, and they are going to be stoked. This one's powered by a V8 300 horsepower Mercury Verado, perfect power package. We saw it on the 230, performed great. It's going to do the same thing on the 240. Let's look at a couple of these differences. You notice that they switched that live well up back there, so it's towards the corner of the transom. On the 230, you'd see that under the seat. Now you've got storage back there. Back here, of course, you see that Whaler has the fold-down seat off the back right there, and some serious hardware you're going to notice back along right there too. Moving up towards the helm, you notice here we've got looks a lot more modern, this whole superstructure right here with the rod holders and just everything along the side. It looks very similar to what they did on the 280, which just is kind of like the little brother to the 280. It's the 240, so gonna be a big hit. Massive head down below. They revamped the bolsters a little bit. You got your dash right here, room for your Raymarine unit. Follow me up front. This is where you're really gonna notice the difference right off the bat. You notice that this is a little bit deeper right there. It's a little bit more pointed towards the front and a lot more modern looking. So you're gonna feel very, very safe when you're sitting up on the bow. Then up here towards the very front of the boat, you've got the compartment right here, where there is an option to put a windlass in it. You've also got your bow ladder right there. So once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is the all-new Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. We got more of them coming in, and we've also got some orders that we're going to be taking. So come on down, let's get you out on the water on a brand new model. We'll be ripping around in style. Bye guys.